Hey, good puppies. Salute. Good puppies. It's field time. Here we go. Get some exercise. Get some exercise. Get him, Estrella. Get him. Estrella's got her patented body slam. She always gets top in top position. Hey? Yes, you always do. Yes, you do. And she's off. Good girl. Get him. I love watching her run. This makes me so happy. She likes running with me too. It's pretty awesome. Get him. Good girl, Pumpkin. Good girl. That's about around 12, I think, this morning. They go at it in the forest pretty good when we get started. There's our beautiful sunshine. Wow! Today's another beautiful day in paradise. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'll be 55. Thank you. We love you. Ah, woo!